Good morning, Tradeify Nation, and welcome to another London session stream here on the 14th of November, 2025. We are ready to crush it, and I hope you are too. Let me know in the chat really quick. How are you doing? How was your day yesterday? Say a quick good morning in the chat so we see you're there, you're active, you're awake. Let's also introduce my co-host, AI Celine. She's not real, just to be clear here, a little disclaimer. She's not real. This is just an AI. But she's doing very, very well. Celine, how's it going?
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Friday. Good to be towards the end of the week. I can't believe it's actually already Friday. I was just saying to Nick, this week has absolutely flown. But I'm feeling good. I'm hoping to end the week on a big bang here and get a nice trade in London session because yesterday was boring for me. But Nick, you had a killer trade, and I heard in New York you also killed it. Looks like there's blue and white candles doing something good on your end.
I swear, shout out to Evatronic because she did something. She did some magic on my charts. I don't know what happened, but it happened. Also shout out to Francesco who suggested to switch candle colors. But
we might be onto something there. I don't know. We might have to get all ICT traders to switch over. But yeah, I'm good. I'm ready for a killer session, and we'll see what we get.
Hey, Francesco, I know I saw you in the chat. Like right after I said it, I saw you type bro, and I know we have a delay. So I know that you wanted to complain and say, it was me. I gave you your shout out, dude. Thank you very much. All right. By the way, background Nick wasn't as pissed about the 6 accounts that we gave away. He actually found it hilarious, and he said he would have done the same thing. So I'm not fired. I'm hired.
Ooh.
All right, 30 seconds until load and open. Let's go through the charts. First of all, let's look at NQ really quick. I actually got the dark mode going on TradingView as well. So hell yeah.
Whoa.
We finally got rid of that shitty light background. I hated it every single second I used it. However, now we got the right one. So yesterday, obviously had a big expansion candle to the downside after expecting a bearish move. I said I had a bearish bias for today. Today, this would be candle 4, continuation. Jimmy Trades, by the way, welcome to the dark side, brother. Say welcome back to the dark side, because I was always the dark side. I just didn't like the light. Here's the thing. We opened, we didn't have as big of a candle so far. We opened at, let's see what level that was, 25,096. Made a little bit of an upwick and are now moving down. Total range, oh, actually, yeah, it is a bigger candle than I expected. Total range is 238 points on NQ. And we are rejecting previous day low. We just retested it, pretty much invalidated this fair value gap, but it is holding. So let's see what's going to happen in today's session. I mean, if we move lower here to the downside, the next really, really significant level is this quarterly open, this red line, 24,842. That was where the quarter opened. So was that 1st of October? Or like the first trading day of October. So let's see if we can get down there. I mean, that would be another 140 points. Celine, what do you think?
Yeah, for me, I was obviously, as I've been saying all week, I've been looking for bullish price movement on the higher time frame because of this daily FEG that we had resting up here. And I was assuming we'd get up in there yesterday and then have a sell-off, but looks like we didn't actually get into that level. And now what we've seen yesterday is a huge range day. Was that whole 700.
Ooh, what a pop. Did you see that? Did you just see that?
Oh.
30-point pop out of nowhere. Sorry,
Oh, my
go ahead.
Delayed. No, that's all good. I just didn't see the move. Yeah, so what I'm seeing now is a bit more of this bearish sentiment, being that we absolutely annihilated this bullish FEG on the daily now. And for me, to seek lower prices, I've got this key level at 24,709 actually as a potential level we could get to the downside, which is actually last Friday's low, and it is the most recent swing low on the daily. But if I drop down to the lower time frame, I have got the previous 4-hour sweep with a tiny top wick on that 4 hour, so it does actually look good for longs for my system today, even though I am definitely looking bearish on the high time frame now. But yeah, if I can get into a long today, I would be looking to this 4-hour bearish FVG up above as a potential level we could see price get into, maybe the midpoint of this, and then completely reject off that and continue to the downside. So if I am getting in longs, it will just be for a short time only, and definitely looking at this level here, which is the low of that FVG being around the 25,167, and then the midpoint of that being around 25,222. So
Chat,
if we
she
do
did
get
it.
up,
She did
oh,
it. She said 6-7.
but 6-7. Oh no, don't. But yeah, if we get in there, I will definitely be looking to get out of trades. That is like my absolute highest level that I think we could get to in London. But yeah, so looking for longs, even though I don't really love it, but the system is a system. We'll see.
System is a system. That's right. That is right. All right, let's see what happens.
But what's the chat? Chat, how are we looking today? Green, red, orange, blue, blue and white. How are we doing?
Honestly, I really like this move for short on NQ because we just popped up to make the hourly wick, like the hourly up wick. We reject the previous day low again. So this is starting to look nice.
And we are still rejecting that 15-minute bearish FVG right now too.
For me, what I need to see to actually take this is a change in state of delivery. So I need to, on the 5-minute chart, I need a closure through 982. 5-minute candle close through 982, and I'm going to be taking shorts.
Nice. Well, hopefully we get something today, either longs or shorts. Because yesterday was so boring for me. Guys, sometimes I just find it really hard to sit there and not take trades, but the system is a system. So we'll see. Hopefully I get something. By the way, can someone explain 6-7? Because I still don't understand what that is.
Hey, you're AI, you know everything. By the way, chat, how crazy is this? Look at this. The trade that we took yesterday, this short, these two shorts, that was at 25,664. Imagine we would have held that for like 600 points down. That's insane. That is insane, chat.
That would have been a viral trade. That's insane.
That's some Lanto level shit.
Yeah. Not good enough, Nick. You should have held.
I'm not good enough. That's very true. Trying to get better every single day. However, we're getting closer to that payout. I'm up $4,688 on all my 5 funded accounts. So we're $1,900 away. Hey, there's that push down. So all I need now is a 5-minute candle closure through this 82 level, and then I'm going to be taking shorts. If it moves too far down, I'm going to set a limit order at 82 or 81 for the retest, but let's see. Dan is the second one to ask if I went to the barber. The second person to ask today. No, I did not. I went on Tuesday.
Maybe they think your hair's looking different, but
my hair's looking the same every single day. I don't know. I went on Tuesday. Well, Kirill, even if I would have only held it until yesterday, like previous day low was 25,000, right? So it would still have been a 600-point trade.
Oh, I was just reading up above. A few of you guys don't get 6-7 either. Good. It's not just me, because
just Google it.
No, but I don't think there's like a clear answer.
There is.
Oh.
There is.
Oh, now everyone's asking.
All right, nice push to the downside here. I really love this for shorts.
Whoa, yeah. That was a good move.
Waiting patiently for a 5-minute candle closure. I hope it doesn't run without me. I hope it doesn't run without me. Chat, by the way, how did you end your days yesterday? Green, red, flat?
Yes, and how are the guys still in the Grand Cup? Where is everyone at with the leaderboard?
Oh boy, this is gonna run without me, it looks like.
Darth, no trades yet.
Did you take any trades today already, Celine?
No, nothing yet. Nothing yet. I start looking from 2 a.m. Eastern, but because that's that 4-hour open, but nothing yet. Royal Negroni, rank 700, thinking to go left field and wait out the dogfight, see the damage after US Open, and try blitz in during PM. I like that. I think that's a good game plan. So trying to just wait it out and see how everyone else fights it out, and then see how you go. That's what I've been doing. Green, flat. Tom, solid green day. Nice. Yesterday, loving price action. Nice.
Chat, this is most likely, if I take this trade, this is going to be a pretty big stop loss. I'm going to take it with 5 micros instead of a mini. Just so you know. Like if I have to go, yeah, like all my 5 funded accounts. Yeah. If I have to go with a bigger stop, I just like adjust my contract sizing. But the risk is still the same. 55 seconds to go on this 5-minute candle. If we get a candle close through 82, I will take shorts.
Looks like you might get it.
I would want to write this down to quarterly open, not gonna lie.
The levels I've got are like in the 700s, 709. If we get down there.
Yeah, 842 is going to be very important though. Previous week low is 7.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a level that I feel like we would get to, but that would be a huge move for London. Especially yesterday, we just...
Well, I can hold it through London. It doesn't have to end in London.
You should. That would have been... See, you learned your lesson yesterday. Today, you should just hold. How about that?
All right, I'm going to set the limit sell up here.
Guys, don't we think Nick should hold this today?
Let's see if we got tapped. Oh, come on, don't run without me. I have a limit sell at 975. Need a little bit of an upward. Because otherwise it's just going to be too ugly. The stop's going to be like 40 points, actually more.
Looks like it's going to go.
It does look like it's going to go. But hey, you never know. The upwicks can happen.
This is true.
See,
anything can... Oh,
I'm going to take it here. I'm going to take it here. All right, chat. I'm in with 5 micros. Risking 55 points on this. That's why micros. And honestly, this is going to be a bigger trade for me. Obviously, if it works out. If it doesn't, then not, obviously. But quarterly open is the target down here. 842 is quarterly open, so I'm going to set my target at... Oh, God. Oh, my voice.
Batman.
850. 850.
It sounded like Batman was coming out.
Batman. All right, this is going to be a bigger trade, chat, if it works out. If it doesn't work out, hey, then so be it. Actually, I'm going to target a 2-1 because that's almost at that level. That would be 110 points.
That would be a solid move.
That would be a solid move. I would take that. I'm going to follow the same system as usual. 1R break even, then 1.5R. I'm going to move to 1R and then 1.75 to 1.5 and 2R for the final TP. Let's see. Got a big trade today or a little stop out.
Let's go. Hopefully a W and start the stream.
Hey, I mean, I would
end the week. By the way, guys, the reason, if anyone's wondering why I wouldn't be taking this if we invert on the 1 minute is because I only look for, once we've swept the previous 15, but if we're within 5 minutes of the 15-minute candle closing, I wait for the new 15 to open, sweep the next previous low, and then go higher. It's just so I stay out of being wicked out, basically, in the new 15-minute wick down, if that makes sense.
Vince, my average stop loss is anywhere between like $300 to $600. Let's see, Manfred, what's my opinion on gold? Well, let's check it. Let's check it. So gold, yeah, okay, that's ugly. Gold has that basically we're trading candle 2 right now on the 4-hour. Look at this. This 4-hour candle swept its previous 4-hour candle very nicely. But it didn't take out yesterday's 11 a.m. level here. That would have been an important one to take out. However, we had a very nice expansion candle to the downside. So I would expect this new 4-hour candle to be bearish as well. But it is getting rejected down here. Asia low at 4162, so I'm unsure. But I would have a bearish bias based on the move. Let's see if NQ is going to make that move.
Sean, he's got his TP up on the screen.
Yeah. Well, sometimes it's a bit blurry, so they can't really see it well. I'm going to put some text on screen, chat. As I said, it's a bit of a bigger trade. So next trade, there you go. So 5 MNQ at entry was 25, 955, 75. Then we have stop loss at what's that? 25.9. No shit, 25.0, 22, 125. And then we have
hey, morning trader 007 and morning Lion.
TP at 24.856. So chat, this is the trade. Everything on screen now. You can see it well, I hope. Bro, what the fuck was my cat? Did my cat just do? That was the weirdest sound ever.
What? We didn't hear it.
She goes like, what the heck? Hey,
what is happening?
What are you doing? That's what.
Is she all right?
Yeah, what they do is they always steal our socks, and then they make this weird noise. I don't know what that is, but hey,
that's so cute.
Yeah, well, whatever. Whatever. Let's see. Lou says that's like 1,000 points up. What do you mean? What do you mean? Muhammad, what's up, man? Oh shit, Ozempic. Yeah, we got to add a magnet and a chicken to the chart. You're right. Chicken is important. Wait, where's the chicken?
Is the chicken based on the New York stream?
The chicken is based on the New York stream yesterday, yeah. Here you go.
Funny.
A little chicken. I'm actually just going to do the chicken today for extra good luck.
No, Johnny, no trades yet for me, sadly. Not yet. I'm actually a crazy and looking for longs in this market, which is...
Hey, wait a minute. You're going to bait me again?
Yeah, I don't know.
You're mad, Celine. You're just mad.
This keeps happening.
Well, yeah. You make it happen. This is going to be a long trade, I have the feeling, chat. Either it rejects here and it pumps up and goes to stop loss pretty much immediately, or it's going to be a pretty long trade.
You might have to hold this all day. As in, like...
To be fair, yesterday after it hit my TP, it dropped another 100 points. And this entire move I'm looking for is 110 points, so... Hey, you never know.
Hey.
It might be fast, you know?
You should have just risked it all. 100 points.
I got to do a chicken and a magnet. All right, chat. Here's your magnet. Chicken and magnet strategy.
Tom Hurst asks, how did you guys handle scaling up on props? I was sitting at a super tight R at first and realized that eval would take way too long. I know there's definitely faster ways to do the whole scaling up phase. For me, I really just wanted to prove to myself. I was really slow with it in the beginning. And when I got my first eval, I didn't buy another one until I passed that, got that funded, bought a second eval. That was just so I could prove to myself that I could stay consistent and I wasn't just like gambling these accounts away.
I should have done that.
No, well, each to their own, but that's just my personality. Like I knew if I just kept buying accounts, I wouldn't be treating them as if they were like real live live funded accounts. So I just had to do it slow like that. And then yeah, basically every funded account passing, I just buy another one and then get that to a payout and use the money from the first payout to buy. And I sort of just slowly went like that. And yeah. And I would trade them with usually like a normal size as if it was a funded account. That was just so that me mentally, when it did switch to a funded account, I didn't have to change my sizing and be a completely different trader. I just traded them as if they were like real accounts. But I know there's faster ways to do it. It's just each to their own.
My cat just came into my office with the sock in her mouth.
She's like, this stinks.
No, they love the socks. I don't know why.
That's funny. How does a cat even hold like in its mouth, right? Like they must be
They're just chilling here.
I just
Because my girlfriend isn't at home, so I have my office door open. Usually my office door is closed. Now they're just chilling in my
they
office.
want cuddles.
Yeah, looks like it. Looks like it.
Has she got the sock in her mouth? Like I need to see this.
Yeah, no, she left it in my office. I think I heard something about that like a couple of weeks ago. I think they do that if you have cats that don't go out, like they just live in your apartment. They do that basically as that is what they hunted.
Oh,
You know, it's kind of like if they would hunt a bird outside and bring it home, they just bring the sock.
yeah, no, that's true. Actually, that just reminded me. My cat used to do weird things like that and bring home. That's like them giving you a gift.
Yeah, exactly.
They leave it at your door. It's actually really cute. Oh.
Let's see. Corey says, Nick, I would have sold the moment we broke that low. I like the 30-50 point trade, but I guess that's why you went less size. Yeah, exactly. Less size, bigger risk in terms of points. So at the end of the day, it's still a normal trade for me. I would lose $555 if this trade loses, but I would make 1,100 if it wins. By the way, chat, completely forgot to tell you, we need 410 likes today to do another giveaway. So if you want a giveaway, if you want a free account, then make sure you smack that like button.
And let's confirm, is it 1 account or 6 accounts?
Hey, 1.
What are we
Chill.
feeling?
Chill, Celine.
Just
Chill.
1? Okay. All right, just checking. You never know.
Dan says, if you let that cat out, I bet she would bring back someone else's sock. Dennis says, fading you here, Nick. Long from 960. All right, let's let the better trader win here.
Where's Trading Markets to tell you
oh god, no, not that guy. No.
Is he here?
Please don't. Vince says 5 if I hit TP. No, only if we come 2 points to my stop loss and then we reverse and hit TP, then we're gonna do 5. Yeah, if we can break the low here, I feel very confident in this trade. Until then,
yeah.
I mean, I like it so far, but
yeah,
I really want to see. Really want to see this low broken.
I mean, it still just looks like it's come up, tapped into that bearish 15-minute FEG, and it just looks like it's reacting off that really nicely. So I think it's good for the shorts.
I'm gonna take a screenshot here because I need that for Twitter after. It's gonna be funny with the chicken and a magnet.
Lion, you win the medal for today. Celine, where are you from?
Oh, that's been getting them a medal too now?
Yeah, well, we get it every day. I think we should start awarding. I'm from Australia. Just for anyone else that wanted to ask.
Okay, I'm gonna post this on Twitter right now. I need you all to go vote. Wait, what do you think, chat? Are we gonna cook with the chicken and magnet strategy? Can I do a poll on Twitter? I'm not using Twitter too often.
Good question. Let me see.
I think so.
I think I have seen that option when you go to post.
Well, there is an option, but it's grayed out. I can't click it.
Let me see.
Yet. All right, I posted it anyways. So chat, go on my Twitter really quick at Nick M Trades. I'm gonna put it in the chat here, and go vote. Leave a comment on that post. Actually, I can send you the link to the post. That's faster. That is faster. Let's see. How can I share this? I'm such a Twitter noob.
Oh, you can do it on your phone, I found. You can do polls on when you go to post. I don't know if you have the Twitter app.
Hey, we just broke the low. Hell yeah, nice. I love
Nice
that.
push to the downside.
Leah says, I think we're going down to Antarctica. Well, let's see. We're up 30 points right now. The question is, do we sweep this low and move higher? Or are we just going to get the push to the downside? I really want to see us close below this low. 5-minute candle closure below this low, that would be juicy. That would
Call
be
me crazy, Nick, but if I get an inversion on this 1 minute, I'm going to be entering a loss.
Do what you have to do, Celine. Follow your system. Do what you have to do.
Sorry in advance. Nah, it's only if I get the inversion. I'm going to say like entering longs in this situation in the market, it's kind of a bit risky.
Robot just said Nick is a chick magnet. Chicken magnet strategy, dude. Yeah, Huber, I think so too. 24,700 is realistic for today during New York. Yeah, where's that guy who said he's long from 960? I'm sorry, bro.
Sorry. Damn. I just read a Dibs comment. Guys, is there any giveaway?
No, we never do. We never do giveaways, ever.
I mean, we didn't just give away like 6 accounts yesterday. You missed out.
And then another 6 in the New York stream, and then another like 12 in Nick's segment.
We just love giving away accounts here at Tradeify. We love it.
Hell yeah, we do.
Hey, Corey says, Celine, y'all are matching today. You can't fade him. I know that could totally go against me because I think the other days I was fading. We were definitely wearing.
We did just get this 5-minute candle closure below these previous 5-minute candle low bodies. So I really like it now. VDM, the other Nick is doing way better. He streamed yesterday. He was on live. Somebody on Twitter says, Roman says, it's too early for thinking about cooking a chicken, but I really hope you get those quarter open. That's Roman. Ibarra says, just joined, I think down. Nice. Love that. Everybody, make sure you post your opinion on Twitter on this post. I'm going to send you the link in the chat again.
That's a good comment. Reddy B says, it's human nature to try to find the bottom. We like to find reversals so much. Most of the time they fail. The only thing with my system is like, it doesn't have to, I'm not trying to pick up like the whole, the point of reversal in the day and think that this is it. We're going to fly up now. It's just more like, I think that I could get like a quick little retracement in here because obviously the market doesn't just, I mean, some days it can just crash and we can just keep going down, down, down. But like there are points in the day in a bearish move that you can have a little retracement to the upside and then continue lower. So for me, those on days like this, those that's all I'm trying to take, just a piece of the little retracements. And then let Nick still get his 100 points.
Hell yeah. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 2 off at my 1R. Don't want to be too greedy.
Damn, these blue and white candles really working for you.
Yeah, so far, well, this is not over yet.
True.
I'll take off 2 micros at 1R. I'll take off 1 micro at 1.5R. And then let's see what the rest does. If we ever get that. If we ever get down there. Not over until it's over, chat. Never. We saw that yesterday. Yesterday was the perfect example for that. We were in drawdown for 30 minutes. 30 freaking minutes. We got 2 points to our stop loss. Almost got stopped out. But hey, we got a 50-point TP after.
That was an awesome trade. And W to anyone else that held that, because that was painful to watch, honestly. Even though I wasn't in it, I was sitting there like, ugh, are we going to get it?
Ooh, I do not like this reversal here. I do not like that.
Nasty.
However, it could
It
be
could
a fake bump.
Yeah. Could just be a little bump in the road.
It would be very nasty. What were we up here? 40 points? Yeah, 40 points.
And that is why they call it nasty Nasdaq.
Hey.
Hey.
But the funny thing is this 5-minute candle still has 1 minute and 50 seconds to go. This could totally turn into a bearish candle. That's how
Yeah,
Nasdaq
literally
operates.
anything can happen.
So wait, is this going to turn into a bullish setup for you, Celine?
No, because it's at the moment 3:28, so 2 minutes till the next 15-minute open. So I wait now. So I wait for the new 15-minute candle to open and wick down and then get in.
What did gold do? Putrade says nasty gold too. Yeah, I mean, as said, like my bias on gold would be short, but I don't like it right now. We're just gonna stick to the chicken magnet trade.
Oh wait, Pip Hunter says, I hope this goes towards SL. Then we get. Did I miss something? Are we giving 6 accounts away if this goes to SL and then?
Yeah, I said if it's gonna come up and 2 points away from my stop loss and then hits TP, I'm gonna give away 10 accounts today.
All right, 10 accounts.
10.
Guys, there's a lot on the line.
But I doubt that's gonna happen. If we go up there, it's gonna stop us out.
Yeah, but that's what you said yesterday. So
that is true. But hey, we're still like 60 points away from that. So, well, actually, we're 80 points away from that stop loss. $6K82 says I would rather not sit through that stress again. Yeah, I would prefer that short as well.
Future here, Celine, Nick, do you still work out on improving your strategy to get better results, or you're settled? There is no. I mean, I spent a lot of last year like improving and changing things in my strategy, and I'm pretty set on how I trade for now. But the markets are always changing, so I can't say yes, this is the model I'm going to trade for the rest of my life. I might have to adapt to future ways that the markets move. And yeah, for now, I am pretty rigid in how I trade. But yeah, not to say that won't change in the future. What about you, Nick?
Sorry, what was the question?
Do you still work on improving your strategy to get a better result, or you're settled? Like,
I mean, I'm just forward testing basically. I'm pretty settled with how I did it. I mean, I used the fractal model, T-Trade's fractal model as a base, but then I adapted it with my own twists, also with that 1R, 1.5R, 1.75R break even and stop loss trails. So that works very well for me. I mean, my win rate right now on these accounts, look at this. Win rate is 74%. So
yeah, that's a nice win rate.
And for me personally, like I need to have a high win rate. I can't stand a low win rate. It works for some people, right? Statistically, it works. It's not a problem. But me personally, I can't stand a low win rate. I have to win. I just have to. Even if that sometimes means I take a 1 point winner because I get stopped out break even +1. Like, I don't care. I just have to
be
win.
green.
Yeah. But that's the main thing about trading, right? You need to understand yourself. You need to understand how you think and what makes you angry, what triggers you, what gets you emotional. And for me, like having a low win rate really triggers me, and I'm gonna just revenge trade. So I rather have a little bit smaller winners or get trailed out for like 1R or 1.5R, but at least I win instead of letting it run to full TP all the time, but have a lower win rate. But hey, to each their own.
I think to each their own. I think for me also, like having the data and statistics to tell me my win rate before I started trading, that was so important to me, because I couldn't handle taking losses. Even though it's part of it, I needed to know like probability of taking a loss is this. And so that really helped me. So I was huge on data and collecting data, back testing before I ever got into the markets for real. But yeah. Xander says, Celine, do you consider high time frame narrative for your entry as NQ is at CE of daily week? Would you make reversal, not retracement? I actually don't use high time frame to map out my trades in the London session because it's sort of more of you could call it like a scalping model. It just literally looks to get in after we've swept a previous high or previous low and then get into the opposing direction for a small scalp, or it's usually 2 hour. But yeah, high time frame doesn't, if we've already swept previous 4-hour low, then I'm looking for longs, because even if we're bearish on the high time frame, I still think that, I mean, some days, obviously, when we're just trending down, this model doesn't work because we don't get those big reversals. But yeah, it's definitely more risky on days like this. I would prefer to be taking shorts in this market, but yeah, the model is just looking for the 4-hour to basically wick down and then be bought up. That's what I'm looking for.
Let's see. Tom, for example, says, I'm super comfortable sitting with a low win rate. Love to probe. Yeah, I mean, that's what I say. Whatever works for you, works for you. For me, low win rate doesn't work. I tried to go for 10 to 1 hour trades, have a low win rate, and just have these big wins, but it's not for me.
Yeah, no, I'm not the type that can hold trades either. I have to be in and out.
RF is asking, how do you manage to stay calm even when you're in the negative? My heart rate is probably 200 beats per minute. Well, look, RF, whenever you enter a trade and you set your stop loss, accept that you already lost that money. That's how I do it. Like, I entered this trade and I accept that I'm going to lose $555. If I don't lose it and I win, cool, I can be happy about that. But if I lose it, I'm like, okay, cool, that's what I expected, right? So set a loss, set a stop loss that is just an amount that is okay for you to lose, and accept that you already lost it. That's the cost of the trade. And if the trade works out, great, you didn't have to pay.
And if it hits break even, like anything more than break even, it's just a bonus.
Yeah, oh shit, yeah, I wrote the wrong entry, sorry chat. I said 25,955. That would be sick. It was 24,955, of course. Thanks for making me aware, RCS. 6 on 6K on Twitter said, cluck it down. Just need a ketchup bottle emoji. Hey, that's actually a good point. Is there a ketchup bottle emoji? Let's see.
Oh, that would be funny.
Where do we have the food here?
That'd be good for shorts. Just to have like ketchup all over the screen.
Let's see. Well, I can use a tomato. That works. Speaking tomato strategy. Is there a ketchup bottle though? I don't think so.
Let's have a look.
I'm looking right now. Nope, but we also got to add the steak, of course. Here we go.
Wait, why am mine in black and white? Am I in the wrong section on TradingView?
I don't know. I'm doing this on Project X.
Oh yeah, that's why it's different.
But even on TradingView, it's colored for me.
Must be my settings.
I
saw a question. Corey, how do you confirm the sweep on how do you confirm the sweep? Can you show an example, Celine? Yeah, but Nick's in a trade now. I don't know, Nick, do we want to switch to my screen quickly?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, all right. Producer, if you can just switch over, I'll just show basically what a sweep looks like for me. So although the 4-hour hasn't closed, the moment we trade below this previous 4-hour level, that is a sweep for me. So yes, to some people, this isn't a sweep because it hasn't actually closed. This is what I count as a sweep, and it is the same on the 15 minutes. So this here, this previous low, if we trade below that, the minute we go below this low, I'm now considering that as swept, and we'll be looking to buy up and get some sort of a long entry in this. But seeing as we didn't sweep this, there's no entry for me. But yeah, I hope that makes sense. So it's actually not while the candle, it's sort of like you can call it a potential sweep or yeah, it's a almost sweep. It hasn't actually confirmed yet, but the minute it trades below the low, that's a sweep confirmed for me.
I see another mistake I made. 24,966 is my entry, not 55. Now it's right. Sorry, chat.
Oh, I just noticed your screen. You have stake as well.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Somebody reached out on Instagram yesterday and told me to change my affiliate code to catch up.
What is this turning into?
I did it. Mine. Keeper says all is forgiven. Well, there's nothing to forgive. Let's see what's the chat saying on Twitter. Okay, down. Chick affiliate TP. There's some chicken gifts on there. Magna baby sure are. Okay, people are thinking this is gonna work. Nice, love it. Love it.
Corey asks, do you enter as it goes below? Or do you wait for it to go below and then come back above? So once it's gone below the previous 4-hour low, I'm looking for shorts. I will only take shorts if we also get this aligned with the previous 15-minute low swept. So once the previous 15-minute low has traded below, we've gone below that low, I look for an inversion. So that's an inversion of a bearish FVG on the 1 minute, if that makes sense.
Iringal, first time seeing an ICT trader with dark theme. That's how I'm distancing myself from ICT. I don't give a crap about that, man. But the concepts are great. Quiet, good question. Why did you guys choose trading over other business ideas? For me, I did run a video production company before. I did run a coaching business before, and I made pretty good money with both of them. However, trading, like to me personally, like I just absolutely love trading. I could literally be trading 24/7 sitting in front of my screen. I absolutely love doing it. And like the freedom that it gives you, the amount of money that you can make from literally anywhere is so freaking sick. I don't have to deal with clients. I don't have to deal with employees, none of that. It's just me and the charts, me versus me every single day. And for me, that's perfect. For other people, that might not be the move, right? But I prefer this over running my businesses. However, I'm pretty sure I will open another business in the future because it is fun too, not gonna lie. All right, we're approaching TP1 here.
And can we take a guess? The business might be something to do with ketchup and Heinz, or
well, we're gonna see. Oh, I
agree with you though. Like, is there any other I mean, I don't have a business background. Before trading, I was just in a 9-to-5 office job, but there is not many other professions where you can scale this amount of money and not have a boss or anyone to talk to. And when comparing it to business, yeah, like there's barely any expense, barely any downside to your own, except for like the limited amount you have to put up when you trade with props. I just think it's like a no-brainer.
It's hard. It's a very, very hard profession, but I love it. Oh, we hit TP1. Let's go, chat. So we locked in 55 points with 2 micros. We moved break even on the remaining. There we go. So worst case, we're making $220 today.
Let's go. And this is why we trade, guys, because that was quick.
Yeah, 55 point, nice. Next target is 24,883. At that point, I will take off another micro and move my remaining 2 micros to the 1 hour point at 911.50. Love that. Let's go, chat. Let's go.
Looks good. Looks really good.
The chicken never fails. Chicken never fails. Chicken magnet ketchup steak strategy, that is.
Yes, legit. Keeper says I work in the ER. I can make my week's worth in one London training session. Lol. It's so true. It's so true.
Yeah. Eskil says, past 3 evals following your trades the last 3 days. Hell yeah.
Wow, let's go.
Nice. Congrats.
Awesome.
That's awesome. That is indeed awesome. Let's see where we're at with the like count. Let me refresh. 202. All right. Halfway there. Almost halfway there.
Bad.
410 is what we need. 410 to do a giveaway.
And what viewer count are we at?
View count 466 right now.
Guys, everyone tell your grandmas, tell everyone to get into the London session stream with us.
Tell your chickens.
Tell your chickens. Tell everybody. Because why not?
Let me actually, I gotta let the blinds down because the sun is blinding me.
And yes, Corey, hit the damn like button, guys.
Smash it. Gee, what a wick. 30 points from the low there. I hope it doesn't reverse here. Well, if it does, we made 220 bucks.
It's a win-win. Whatever happens.
Very true. But this looks like it wants to reverse.
Damn, that was a big bit of a jump. Wow.
That's why I'm glad I took partials there. Let's see. Is there a level? Is there a level there? The hourly. Let's check it. Let's check it. No, I would have thought this will continue here. I mean, it could continue here.
I mean, anything can happen.
Be a pullback, but I hope it doesn't stop me out first.
I
hope it continues that push.
Anything can happen with Nasdaq.
Oh shit! Fall 4. You're actually right. I need to take the hammer and smash down the price. 1 second.
We're just getting everything up on this screen.
Yeah, we're using all the tricks. There we go, chat. All right, let's hammer the price. Come on, down. Down. It's working. Get down.
And next, we all need to blow because blowing seems to work too. I have tried that.
My cat is just laying on his back in front of me, wanting to get the belly scratches.
Oh.
You want to be on stream? You want to be on stream? Hello. Hey, what's he doing?
Oh, your camera's cutting out.
Yeah, no, it's not him. He's like, let me go, Dad.
Oh.
He's not
he
moving.
looks so stiff. He looks so stiff. It's like he knows he's in front of the camera. Like,
yeah, he's like,
act cool.
Pro Trader says, why you guys have contra trades every day? I mean, Celine is not in a trade.
Not yet.
Robot says, sock thief. Yeah, you're the sock thief. Him, but his sister is worse. He steals.
But do they come and leave them at your door and stuff? Because then that definitely means that they.
Yeah, it's literally like the sock. My girlfriend's sock is in my office right now.
Oh, he left you a gift. But do you give them to cats? Because I used to have a cat, but we never gave him treats. Is that a thing you guys do with your cats?
We do, yeah. We do.
Oh, he deserves a treat.
He's getting the cuddles now. That's his treat. All right,
Andrew
chat.
says 6 a.m. here, still no sleep. I deserve free count. Jeez.
You're mad, man. Sleep. You are mad. Get some sleep instead. It's more important. But after Tradeify TV.
Yeah, we love that. We love having #1 fan. You're the best, Andrew. But sleep.
Hey, #1 fan right now is Steven Loves Heinz. I love that.
Oh, I just noticed his name. Oh no, Steven. Don't start this.
Steven, you're a legend. You're going to have a 100% win rate. Kelly girl, quarterly open. I'm looking to get quarterly open. Because this is a level, it's pulling price down right now. Basically the first day of October when we opened there. As said, Chad, I already took 2 partials at 1 hour, 55 points. And I'm looking to take 1 more off at 1.5 hour. And I have everything at break even already. So worst case, we make 220 bucks.
So if I do get in long, I won't feel like I'm really fading you because you've locked in money.
Hey, and even if you did and I would lose money, that's okay. You got to follow your system. You do you,
And
I do me.
I could technically lose too. We never know.
Fun with faults. You want to get banned or what? Saying I love to trade oil. Come on.
Hey, where's Leah today?
What's that?
I haven't seen Leah in the chat today.
Yeah, Leah, where you at?
Leah, where are you? She's probably got a trade on oil or gas, something.
Well, Mohammed, I usually don't take partials either when I trade 1 mini. But if I'm in 5 micros, I'm going to take partials. Especially if the move is that big. I'm looking for a 110-point move. Let's see.
By the way, guys, if we get down here and sweep this level 24,899, which is previous 15 minutes low, I will be looking for longs. But
uh-oh, chat. She's going to fade me. She's going to fade me.
We'll see. Ketchup is on special at Lidl. Thanks.
Well, is it Heinz though? I can only take Heinz. Everything else is just ew.
So they don't have like some nice ketchup in Switzerland. Like they have nice everything else.
Yeah, we have Heinz. I mean, Heinz is goated worldwide. It doesn't matter. Although I heard that US Heinz is much different than European Heinz. That's why to the Tradeify host meetup, like the New York host meetup next week, I'm going to bring some Swiss ketchup. So we're going to do a blind taste test.
Oh, that would be funny. I wonder what's different.
Well, it's just less artificial stuff in there, I guess.
Yeah, it's probably like bright red.
Yeah. Leah is in the chat now.
Hey, Leah. Johnny, Oil, and I are on a break until Monday at least.
You know, SP says Heinz is full of sugars. I usually I take the 50% less sugar and less salt Heinz. This one is the best. 50%.
Yeah, we also have that one in Australia.
You don't have a difference in taste, but much better, much healthier. Well, it's not healthy either, but
it's not the worst.
No. London lad, do you have ketchup with your fondue? No, I don't.
It's a bit too far. Cheese.
Cheese? Yeah, with cheese, yes, but not fondue cheese.
I'm really weird. Like, I actually don't like cheese. I know that's like the chat's gonna freak out, but
Right, chat. That was it for Celine. She's gonna be banned from the stream from now on.
I know all you Swiss and everyone in Europe is like,
how the fuck do you not like cheese? I mean, it depends what cheese. If it's
but here's the thing. It gets weirder because I like cheese when it's melted. Like on pizza is totally fine. Or in like a nice toasted sandwich. But anything that's like raw cheese, if you know what I mean, like not cooked, can't stand it. I just think it stinks. Ugh.
I swear I just heard raw cheese.
Raw cheese.
Raw. It's like a raw cheese. That's like the bad one.
No. Raw. I don't know why.
Hey, are you getting your setup here? Oh shit.
No, because we didn't sweep the previous 15. Yeah,
Cameron, that's right. She said she had halloumi for lunch.
Halloumi, yeah, because it was melted.
Yeah, halloumi sucks. It tastes like a shoe.
No, halloumi's like, and mozzarella and halloumi are probably like my favorite because they're so like just light tasting. I
Mozzarella is
barely
nice. Halloumi tastes like shit.
Well, what's your favorite cheese? What's your go-to?
Parmesan, clearly.
Yeah, that is the worst. That actually
Well,
that
you're gonna have a lot of enemies in the chat. I swear. Chat, who likes Parmesan?
Parmesan?
Who likes Parmesan and who does not?
That stinks. Like, we want to talk about cheese smelling like socks. That is the cheese. Parmesan
Oh,
sucks.
you have no idea, Celine. You're gonna get some enemies now.
And I know you Swiss love the cheese fondue. Ugh, disgusting. Oh, look at them all.
Yeah,
No.
you're getting smoked now. And I
They
might
wanna
get
fire
smoked
me.
here as well on my stop loss. Let's see. Ooh, this rejection. We're 20 points away from my stop loss. I do not like it. I would like to still be in this when 9 a.m. volume comes in and get a strong push to the downside. That would be so juicy. But I think I'm gonna get stopped out prior to that.
Damn. What level is your break even? I sort of can't see.
65.50.
Oh yeah, you still got room. This might just be a little pullback.
It's not much room though.
Like 10 points.
Keeper, yeah, you're right. I need to change our AI settings. You're absolutely right. He's broken. Hey, yeah, Leia. That's very common too. Like dessert for like cheese for dessert. That's very common.
Oh. Yeah, I know. Sometimes the Italians do that too as a dessert, but oh. That would be my worst.
I'm about to get stopped out, chat. Break even on the rest. Not yet, but I think it's gonna happen. At least we took 2 off down there, so
yeah, it's a
up
W.
214.
That's still a win.
Still a win. It is still a win to take 55 points. Hey, I'm not stopped out yet. Close.
Kev Trades, he said, "Thank you for the trade, Nick. I closed all at TP1, woke up to trade with you. I'm US based. Have a good day. Going back to bed till New York Open."
That's awesome.
Nice.
All right, I did just get stopped out, break even on the rest. We're up $219 on the day. I'll take that any day, chat. I'll take that any day.
Good trade.
Chicken, tomato, steak are gone now.
Cheese with chocolate in Colombia? Adrian, I don't know about that. Damn, if we had have swept this previous 15-minute candle's low, I would have been in this, but we didn't.
We didn't.
So now we wait.
Dude, cat, you can't sit on my mouse. Damn it. Dude, chill.
They like to sit where it's warm. My cat used to come and sit like right on my keyboard, like on my laptop, right there.
Let's see, chat. We get another setup here at 10 my time, 9 UK.
Fun with folds. Market didn't catch up with the steak. That's why it was B. 100%. They don't mix. There we go. We just proved it.
Gotta make an update on my Twitter really quick. Let's see. Any setups that you're looking for right now, Celine?
Not at the moment, but that would have been a nice, if we, like I said, if we had swept that level, 24,899 or 900, say, I would have been in this long, but we didn't get the sweep. So now I'm waiting. So it's what, 4 minutes to the new hourly open. So what I'd be hoping to happen is we open a wick down, sweep the previous 15 minutes low at 909 if we can get all the way down there, and then take longs off an inversion fair value gap off that. So that's what I'm waiting for, guys, because I'd also rather there is a chance that we don't wick down in the next 15 and then we check on the next 15-minute candle, and maybe I'm buying, like, say we keep pushing here and I'm longing, I don't know, at this level at the 2500s. I don't mind longing up there because, like I said, the levels that I'm looking for price to react to is all the way up at 25,167. So I have room here to long. So if I didn't catch this move here, I'm totally fine with that because I think there's still a lot of room for me to get in.
All right. All right.
Is there anything that would make you switch long, or you can still see shorts for the rest of the session?
No, I mean this hourly. If this gets a bullish hourly close,
yeah,
we could potentially take longs here. Not a big fan though. So
yeah,
gold is moving down. I like that much better for a short.
let's have a look.
I just like my shorts.
I do too. I really get uncomfortable in the longs. Really do. Camille full port long. Really? Good luck. Looks good for now.
Does.
Sandra, I'm not sure what you mean. Set up in early minutes of 15-minute candles filtering winners. Do you mean I'm missing out on winners?
What did you say?
Setups in early minutes of the 15-minute candle is filtering winners, Celine. I don't know. Because I only take my setups within those first 10 minutes. And then once we get to that, like say we get to 5:10, I stop looking for the inversion. I wait for the new 15-minute candle to open, pop down, and then get in again. But
I see.
I'm not sure what he means. Oh, there's a few people longing this.
Yeah, I mean, it does look good. Patrick, you're late. Come on, man. We took a nice 55-point trade.
Patrick, you're normally here right on time.
Gotta join on time, man. This was the trade, Patrick. I was aiming for 110 points. Took 2 of 5 micros off at 55. The rest got stopped, break even.
Mo, the candles, the high time frame overlay that I use is 2 different ones. The first one is a high time frame candle overlay power of 3, and then the second one is ICT high time frame candles. This one.
I'm liking GC for shorts, chat. I'm really liking this for shorts. I would want to see, here's what I would want to see on GC. GC, tap into this fair value gap, reject it, take shorts. This would be my next trade.
Which fair value gap? Hold on, I just switched screen.
1 second, I gotta go to micros here. Here, this one. The 3-minute fair value gap.
Oh, yep.
If this taps and we move lower, we react to it, I'm gonna take shorts. Set the stop above the fair value gap. I learned, chat. I learned.
It is reacting out of the 5-minute. Is that anything to you, or it needs to be off the 3?
Oh, I didn't even see that. Yeah, no, that works too. Thanks. That works as well.
Looks good. This is quite the push on Nasdaq. We are reaching back into that 2,500 level, so it'd be interesting to see what we do here. By the way, did anyone see Brett going crazy on NQ yesterday?
Brett is mad.
The 2,500 level. We're back at that. Let's see.
He made proper money yesterday. By the way, chat, we are at 297 likes. We need 410, so make sure you smack the like button's face. Ooh, nice reaction candle here on the 5-minute. We might get the shorts, chat. We might get the shorties.
The shorties are winning today.
The NQ is pumping now. Nice fractal model setup, actually. I just don't like it because I'm bearish biased on NQ, and I don't like the level we rejected off.
Guys, what did someone say to Nasdaq? Like, this is actually crazy. This move is just in the last... Damn, it's flown 82 points.
Yeah.
That is insane.
I'm very happy that I took 2 micros off.
You know what I would love, actually? If we form this 15-minute bullish FEG now on Nasdaq,
Yeah.
we come down, tap into that bullish FEG, which would also be the sweep of the previous 15, tap that, I would be straight away in longs. I really want to see that because
Fair.
I think we can't keep pushing here. It's got to retrace at some point.
Fair.
Damn. We are pumping. Nice. Some of you are already taking profits on those longs.
I'm still waiting for my gold short. 6K82, I'm going to trade MGC. It's too risky for me to take gold with 1 mini. Because that's $100 a point. I'm gonna take it with 4 micros most likely. 3 or 4 micros, depending on where the entry price is. But I do like it.
Damn, Nasdaq is really taking off here. We're now we've broken the 2500 level. The next level is, I'd say, this high here at 25 or 70, and then we're back at daily open almost.
Gee, gold is going without us.
Damn.
Camille, you passed an account? Hell yeah.
Woo.
Great work.
Let's go. We love to see it.
Great work.
Let's go. And another one. Who heard NQ?
No, gold, don't run without me. Come on. The setup was so nice. Yep, that's gone. That is gone, chat.
Damn.
We might get a retracement for an entry, but I would.
What's like a max stop for you on gold? Because I don't actually trade gold, but what would be like a...
I don't like. Sometimes I do go higher, but I don't like to go more than 5 points. So I will set a limit order at 74.9. Maybe we get a retest. 74.9. Limit sell 3. We might still get filled on a little upwick here on this new 5-minute candle. If we don't, so be it. But I have a short order on gold at 4174.9. I would set the stop loss above the 5-minute fair value gap. So that would be at 81.5.
Oh, Patrick, you just got on and caught gold. Nice.
No, you took the hourly, the new hourly candle.
Okay.
Ooh, we might get tapped into it. Let's see. Very close.
It's a 1-minute FEG. I think it's just tapped.
Yeah, but still needs to fill me. That got very close. No, if it runs now. Oh, chat. Here's what the trade would look like if I get tapped into it. We would have entry here, stop at 81. Let's see. Did I just get filled? 81.5. Oh yeah, I did get filled. Nice.
Nice.
So 81.5 is the stop. Basically risking the profits from the previous trade.
So you can't lose.
I can't lose now. I will target the 5-minute candle body lows here.
Nice.
Full TP. Let's see.
Guys, anyone else not entering a trade right now? Because I'm feeling FOMO from everyone else trading right now. I can't get a setup.
Hey, if you can't get a setup, you can't get a setup. That's how it is sometimes.
What's the chat up to?
9. I'm just typing up the trade here.
Caught that long, took the long. Nice. Thank you, Suto. Maybe time for shorts again. Okay, 6 thinks we might actually short off this level. Potentially. I mean, we are back at that 2,500 and we have been reacting to that level since yesterday also. So let's just see what happens here. I would actually like us to push down a bit into the 15-minute bullish FEG, which that level is the high of that being 24,975. So if we can get down into that and then a push out of that would be ideal for my setup. On with fold, still waiting. Mohammed waiting. On my hand still. Okay, it's not just me. We're all still waiting.
Nah, there are a lot of people waiting. And there are a lot of people who say they're in a setup and then they lose. So rather don't have a trade than a losing trade.
That's true. Not trading is trading. You know what they say.
Yeah. All right, let's see if gold can get the push down here. So funny, every single time I enter a gold trade, it immediately goes against me. Every single time. But most of the times, it reverses and hits TP. I'm just so used to it right now.
Maybe you got to put the emojis back on.
Oh.
Maybe you got to pull up a chicken magnet. What's going on?
Oh, that's a good point. Chicken, boom. Magnet, boom.
Boom.
There we go. Yeah.
Let's see gold dump now.
Yep.
Come
Nice.
on,
Got it done. We're
Goldie.
going to put the ketchup on as well. Ketchup on the chicken and the steak. There we go. Well, not liking that. Chat, it's not liking that.
Maybe gold is like us, chat. Ketchup doesn't go with steak.
Maybe.
Oh, damn. Come on, gold.
But worst case, we lose $201 on this. So I'm still up $15.
Let's go. Woo.
Then it would just be a break-even session. Oh shit, Kryptoneer. Yeah, you're right. Hammer it down. Wait, sorry. Here we go. Gotta hammer it down. Come on, gold. Down. Gotta get you down. There you go. Down. Get down.
Down, down, down.
Get down.
Oh no. He's not happy with you.
What? Who?
Gold.
Oh, yeah, well, I'm hammering it down right now. It's gonna work, chat. It's gonna work. Come on. Down. Down. Down.
I'm telling you, take that tomato off. I'm telling you.
No.
Steak and chicken can stay.
Nope. Leave me my tomato.
Tomato, tomato. Tomato.
Tomato. Tomato. All right, I got stopped out. Ooh.
Man.
Ooh, gold. I don't like you. Nobody likes you.
That's really annoying because it had such a strong move to the downside.
Yeah.
That reaction.
That was a clean setup.
Was
it was a clean setup. The only thing is that it rejected daily open again. But hey, worth a try. Setup I would take any day. Let's see if we can get anything else.
I like that on Nasdaq. We are sort of going lower here. Not the level I need. I need lower, 24,976. Let's see if we can get there. Then hopefully long off that.
Pearl Vision, what was my setup for this trade? Well, very simple. On so first of all, I already have a bearish bias, and what we got was an hourly candle sweep of the previous hourly high, right? This one right here was swept by this one, and that happened at VWAP, which is a significant level. We had a change in state of delivery once we closed through 5180 on gold on the 5-minute. And then I had an hourly candle close, had a tap into this fair value gap, and then I moved to the downside once we closed. I set a limit order a bit higher and got filled. So a setup I would take any day. This was good. Good trade. Just a loser.
Can't win them all.
Can't win them all. NQ. What is NQ doing? What the hell?
I don't know.
What the hell?
We basically had that huge, strong bullish move up into the 2500s. We're back there now again. We seem to be hovering around this level though. I would love for it to just dip back into this FEG though. That's what I'm waiting for. The 15-minute bullish FEG.
Chat, we only have about 15 more minutes to get to 410 likes. We're currently at 330, but there are 500 people watching, so it would be easy to do. Only 80% of you need to smack the like button. 410.
Come on, guys.
Do it
Who
really
wants
quick.
that account?
Ali says, I went all in to pass, but I hit DLL. Damn it.
Damn. It happens.
If we respect equilibrium here on gold, I might take a re-entry. Let's see. If not, then that's cool.
I'd love to get a setup while we're still on stream, guys, but it doesn't look like, because we're only on for another 15 minutes, and I basically need the next 15-minute candle to wick down and then pump up. So hopefully I get something the next 15.
Let's see. And if you don't, that's cool too.
Peter, Celine, you only take FEG for long if there is order block below FEG. How to spot if there is any liquidity? What? Celine, you only take FEG for long if there is order block below FEG. I'm not sure I understand your question, Peter. But I'll take an IFEG for long. That's my 1 minute signal to enter. But I don't use order blocks or anything like that in this system.
Chat, are we gonna get another gold entry here? Maybe. Maybe. I still like it.
It's still, it's still respecting that 5 minute FEG.
I would want to see a bearish close though. Otherwise, I'm not interested.
20 seconds. Let's see.
We might get another entry. Yeah, this looks nice. All right, I'm in another gold short. Chat, let's see.
Nice.
Still the same target.
Come on, gold.
Don't do me dirty twice, gold. Every single time I enter gold, it goes against me.
It's like, nope, Nick's in. We got to turn around.
Jeez.
Dump it. Oh my gosh. It's all right. It's just making a top wick. It's totally fine.
Yeah, it better. It better only be doing a top wick. After this trade, I'm done. Doesn't matter. If we hit stop loss or TP, I'm done for this session with trading.
I need Nasdaq a little lower now. Come on. Dump it. It'd be good if they're lately they've been moving in sync, NQ and gold. So let's hope they both get a little lower.
We're gonna type it out on screen again so everybody can see. So next trade. Damn, 3 trades in one London session. Chat, what's up?
And me, 0.
Well, you might
be
better. You might end the session better than I did with 0 trades. If I get stopped out on this.
That is true. That can happen. That can happen. But likely I might be entering soon. So
all right.
Well, let's see. Oh, Mohammed is fading you in the chat.
He's long? Uh-oh.
Yep.
Sorry, Mohammed. Dude, but what's important, Mohammed? Trade your system. Don't care about what I'm doing because I'm trading a different system. what works for you might not be what works for me. So do your thing.
Do your thing. All right, Nasdaq, are you going to give me this level, please? Just a nice little tap. It's 10 points.
Let's see. Oh, we're at 415 likes. Nice. You did it, chat.
That's good.
You did it. Rules for the giveaway. You have to like the stream. You have to subscribe to the channel. And once I send you guys the Google form, fill it out once, not twice, not 3 times, because you're going to get disqualified. Google form link will be sent in the chat right now about 10 times. So just fill it out once. Here you go. Giveaway time, baby. Oh, shit.
Fill it out once.
Just pasted a bunch of V's in the chat.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
Fill it out once. Ozempic. Shivanesh, how do you get that P&L to show on charts? Well, it's just in Project X. You go to settings in Project X. Oops, sorry. Here on the left side to settings. And then you go to charts and data. You choose chart value display type, choose $, and it's going to show you the P&L.
Data?
Data.
I heard the British come out.
Well, you know, I was born in the UK, yeah? Every single day at 9 a.m. I take a tea, yeah?
A tea and scones.
A tea, yeah, fucking hell.
Such a fun accent.
It is. It is indeed a fun.
Yes, RF, good point. Monday, 150k challenge with Nick, 0 to hero again, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
150k 0 to hero challenge this time.
You all better load up those evals.
Yeah, code RUSH. Today is the last day to use code RUSH for 40% off. RUSH.
The trader guy, I'm looking for longs. I just needed to spike down a bit more into 976, which would be the previous 15-minute low and the bullish FVG here on the 15-minute. I really need to see that before I get in. Yeah, hopefully it looks like we might. Damn it, chat. I really wanted to get something with you guys on stream today, but we might not. We might not.
Well, we'll be back on Monday.
That is true. SP, I think, is that a question for Nick?
What's the question?
Why you don't want to target the previous swing lows, 66.5?
I mean, I'm targeting I am targeting this low. That is my target. This trade is looking nicer now. My 1 hour target for break even is 4171.5. Let's see. We get the push.
Okay, we just got that tap. Let's see. So we have just swept the previous 15-minute low, or we've traded below it, and then tapped into the bullish 15-minute FVG. So that's what I said I was waiting for. And now, if we hold this, oh, well, we've got that 1-minute inversion FVG just up ahead. That level is 984. If we close that, I am in. I am in for those longs. So let's see.
Right. All right. This daily open level on gold just holds like crazy. I don't like that. Push it down, gold. What's your problem? What's your problem?
Oh, come on, Nasdaq.
Give her a setup. Give my AI a setup.
Oh, that worked.
You're
Give
in?
AI a setup. No. Oh, yeah, I think it's going to close. Oh, no, it's not inverting. It is respecting.
Ooh.
That's all right. I might do it now. Come on, NQ. Give AI setup today.
Chat, we're respecting this low and the daily open level. I don't like this. I'm gonna go break even on this. This makes no sense for me to hold. At all.
Come on. I've been so patient, NQ. So patient. Just invert the damn FEG.
Yeah, I got out of this. So pretty much break even on the session. Up $11. Whee!
$11 is $11. So nice. Still up.
All right, chat. Let's do the giveaway. Let's do the giveaway. I said this is going to be for another 50K growth account. So I'm going to copy everybody over who filled out the Google form. Everybody who didn't, well, sounds like a you problem. Wheel of names. There we go. Just copying everybody over.
Chat, by the way, we never got that inversion, so I'm still sitting here just waiting.
Well, that's how it goes sometimes. All right, chat. The winner of a 50K growth account. If it's you, make sure you tag me in the chat. Winner of a 50K growth account is... Who's the winner? John H3X. John H3X. Where are you at?
Congrats, John.
John H3X. Where are you at?
Today's your lucky day.
Hey, it is. Then that's not you? Oh, okay. I thought you were John H3X. John says, hey. Hey. Congrats. Make sure to add your email address to your YouTube channel description. And we're going to reach out to you and send you your free account within the next 7 days. So what a great way to end your week, man. That's awesome.
Right? That's awesome. Everyone drop a congrats, John, in the chat. Oh, what is NQ doing here?
Pumping?
I like this. I like this a lot. I'll be getting my setup in 15 seconds.
All right. Let's go to her chart. Let's see if you can get it. My cat is making these weird noises.
All right.
Again.
I'm in. I am in. Oh, for a quick sec, can we just change charts? I just need to get into my Tradeify so you guys can see.
Let's see.
Thank you.
So you were in a long...
All right.
What's your stop and what's your TP?
Stop is just that swing low on the 1 minute. It's 974.50. TP will be at 25.03.225. I'll just put that in also now. I think I can hear your cat, Nick.
Yeah, she's going crazy right now. She's doing like...
Yeah, I can hear that. I'll just make this a bit bigger.
She's funny.
I might also just have the 1R 25013.
Yeah, now gold is pushing down when we got out. Yeah, fuck you, gold. Gold tricked me, chat. All right, so you still got a setup. That's good.
We're in a bit of drawdown. I'm just setting my levels.
Hey, that can change anytime. That can change anytime.
All right, perfect. So I'm looking to take two off, and then I've left one for the full 2 hour.
Hey, you're
So
in 3
two
minis?
off at 1 hour. Yeah, 3. I'm on the
Hey, what in the risk management is going on over there?
What in the hell? Yep. I decided I'm on these evals and I just want to get them passed. So I'm sizing up a little bit. It's
Nice.
one extra.
Nice. All right. It's a gold. Come on, man. Well, we're break even on this session, chat. I'm up $11.68 on all my 5 funded accounts. So $55 in profit. Whee! Awesome. Celine, with 9:30 UK coming up here in a couple of minutes, what are your last words for the chat?
Let's just see Nasdaq pump, hopefully. Oh, I might be getting stopped out, guys. Hold on to your profits. If you're positive on the week, guys, I would be just at least risking down. Don't do what I'm doing because I'm on evals anyway. But if you're on your funded, risk a little less. Just don't let those profits slip away and enjoy your weekend. And we will be back with you on Monday.
Hell yeah. But before that, we're going to be back today at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for another banger New York stream, chat. So make sure to tune into that. Also, leave a W in the chat if you enjoyed this stream. Leave an L in the chat if you thought it absolutely sucked. We enjoy doing this every single day with you. And the only way how we can do this is because you're here and you're supporting every single day. So thank you very, very much. Have a great weekend if you don't join the New York stream. And if you do join the New York stream, I'll see you there. So peace out.